Hi everyone, praise be Jesus and Mary. My name is Micaela Tabada from the Diocese of Butuan here in the Philippines. I am currently in the Social Communication Ministry, at the same time in the Youth Ministry, focusing on publications, books, documentations, and other social media platforms. When Bishop Marcelino Malyari Jr. invited me on this event, I was grateful, at the same time motivated to participate in this Jubilee celebration as it presents a valuable opportunity for reflective learning and spiritual journey in connecting with our fellow communicators from different countries, engaging a wide topic on communication not only for social media but also in the physical world. As a current human resource specialist and at the same time a master's student in business administration, focusing on human resource management, I believe that the insights we gain from this event can be shared not only in our corporate church community, but also to the corporate world, which we can help those young professionals, employees, workers who are having this spiritual crisis. Also, I hope that this event will help me with my current studies entitled Motivational Factors and Job Satisfaction of the Parish Employees. I expect on this event to be a forum of exchange and diverse of ideas and strategies that we can use in today's modern world. And I hope that this event will be a meaningful connections and dialogue to each and every one of us. Thank you. Live Jesus in our hearts.